G'day, g'day! In today's project we are going to make an electric spray unit. Some of the things we've got, let me see. Well, picked up this little bugger off, well, I don't know, Amazon I think it was, or something, or eBay. It was about $25 or something like that. We've got some decent, let me see if I can get bloody in sight here, some decent non-kink reinforced hose. Don't really need it for the pressure, but I want it so it's not going to bloody kink, because that's a pain in the arse, because this is actually going to go in the back of the ute. What else we got here? Got a myriad of friggin' connecting bits that I got just in case I needed them, and we have a wand that I stole off a hand pump spray unit, and we're going to chuck all this crap together and hopefully make ourselves something that I can spray a shitload of lantana, bracken and overgrown mess from the back of the ute while driving along. Not very fast, obviously. Not like 100 kilometres an hour. No, just yeah, that's the way to do it. Okay, so let me have a look at this girl. What we've done is these were on here, like this, and I've ripped them off. Now, which way's in, which way's out? Does it even say? I'm trying to bloody look here, I can't even see where it frickin' says. This side in, this side out. Am I blind or what? What's going on? Where's... Can you see it? I'll bug it if I can see it. Righto, well, apparently with a magnifying glass, there is a tiny little fucking arrow right there. So apparently it must go that way, I guess. I wonder if could they, you know, spare it? Just making it that fucking size. So, okay. Well, the easiest one to do is going to be this side here, because this one is already basically completely done. So, I'll just stick this damn thing through the hole here. I think what I might do actually, I think I'll cut this off flush, because you can see it's got swollen bits and stuff in it from being on the last spray unit. Wow, this is okay, let's try that again, shall we? Let's use some skizzers. Well, this is pretty friggin' tough hose. Suppose that was the point of it, because it did cost a fucking fortune. The hose cost more than the bloody pump did. Righto. Yep, beautiful. I can go on there. I don't really like how this is held on. It's pretty crap, but that's why I got proper screw-on connections for it. But this will work, I guess. If it doesn't, I'll use them later. This is a very cheap way of doing this. Why am I building this like this? Because I had a look online, and I wanted to buy all this put together already. It's like $300. $300! And this cost a bloody lot less than that, put it that way. I'm trying to think now. So all these connections and all the hose and everything like that was about $50, and this was like $20. So under $100 anyway. There you go. That's pretty good. That'll do. Now, this side, if you have a look, these will actually go on there like that, and you just basically need a sleeve to go on there. So I don't think I really need Teflon tape, but put some on there anyway. And we're going to put this on in the direction that the brass screws onto. So normally it feels, you know, like I caught it, caught you. Too slow, chicken Marengo. Now, normally it just wrap something around this way because that's my natural sort of right-handed way of doing it, but it needs to go on the opposite way. So when you thread on the bolt, nut, fixture, whatever the hell, compression fitting, it will not unwind itself or bunch itself up. It's probably a little bit too much actually, but it should be fine. There we go. A bit of an alignment problem. Right. Beautiful. And we're going to do the same to this. So normally I'd wrap it around this way, turn it around the opposite way, and do it. Or is it? Screw on that way, yep, so it's going to go that way. Yep, I think that's correct. Now confusing me friggin' self. Yeah, it's going to go that way. If I'm doing it wrong, comment below. Right. Now we just need to lube this. Big golly, there we go. Good golly, Miss Marley. There we go. Sorry for eating. You didn't want that last bit of toast anyway, did you? Alright, beautiful. Nice and slick and smooth, and see, this is not bunching up or anything like that because we've put it on in the right direction. It's going to do it nice and finger tight like such. Done. Now we've got our pipe here. And we got some decent hose clips. These haven't got the little slots in them. If you've done this a few times before, you'll notice that when you squeeze those other ones down, the guts of them comes squirting out of them and half destroys your hose. Right, beautiful. On there you go. Mr. Screwdriver. There's the fun bit though, because I don't think this will undo anymore. Tiniest amount. Wow. Okay, we might have to take this off. Put this right at the bloody end here. How much more can we undo this? Not much at all. Like such. there we go. Beautiful. Just do that up. Beautiful. That's as tight as you wish your prom date was. Right. Well, first thing I'm going to do is tie some of these buggers together here. We've just got 2 milk crates. Just going to zip tie them together. And have 12-volt battery in one of them, and our container that we're going to use. Oh, that cut through pretty damn easy. That went through a little bit quicker than I was expecting. That's alright, perfect plug-in length anyway. Yeah, about that. That's good. Goes on there. Done. It's really secure. Whole thing staying like that. Now, weed killer. Hook our cables up. Fantastic. There you go. That's what we need. And that's all done now. The only thing else I'm going to do is put a switch on it, which I've got sitting up there from a set of bloody spotlights and stuff. I didn't want it on, so alright, beauty. Well, as per usual, stay safe, and we'll see you around like a Rissole trendsetters. Till next time, bye.
Techno.